Mantra to disperse calamities. The mantra to disperse calamities can be recited when you are experiencing some predestined calamities in life. In such cases, it is recommended that you recite 49 times per day. In general, we may experience predestined hardships or even calamities when the last digit of our age ends with 3, 6, or 9. For example, when a person is 19, 29, 33, 39, 49, 59, 66, 73, and 89 years old, etc. It is also common for a person to experience predestined calamities at the age of 84. Though conditions may vary for each individual, it is advised that we should be extra cautious when we reach any of the ages mentioned above. The mantra to disperse calamities may be recited if you encounter troubles such as lawsuits, financial loss, quarrels, fines, and penalties, or sudden illnesses. In the age of Dharma decline, natural disasters and calamities are rampant. If conditions permit, it is best if you could recite more of the mantra to disperse calamities so that we can be safe and well. Generally, it is recommended that you recite 21, 27, or 49 times per day. This mantra can be recited during the day or at night. For more details, kindly refer to the books Introduction to Guan Yin Citta Dharma and Buddhism, Your Questions Answered.